And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of natural gas, what we have seen that the price currently trading at around $5.88. Okay, and if you look at this particular price, it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and one important thing that I have told you that there is a strong support coming at around $5.304. So if the price comes close to this particular level, the chances are very high it can move further low. Okay, so before we move forward and explain you natural gas can go where, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also in the description. You can join that too. See, what we have seen, a pattern is created in natural gas. As you can see looking at this particular chart, there is a downfall whenever it goes high and break a previous high. This was the first time, you can say. If you look at weekly monthly chart also, there is a pattern forming. This is a weekly chart. Okay, second time, third time, and this is the fourth time. As you can see that it break its previous high, it made another new high, and from there we have seen a sharp fall has come. Same pattern, break this particular high, mid, and a sharp fall has come. In the same way, 4 times it is repeated, and if it goes above this particular level and comes close to this level around $8.8, then a probability of breaking this particular high is also there. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, a doji candle is forming here. So if it sustain above a level of $6.121, then a probability is there it can go above a level of 6.7 and then further upside. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain of this natural gas at this particular level 5.9, as it is, we can see it is trying to make a green candle at this particular level. Okay, and a strong support, as we can see, was around 6.5, which is already break. Now it will act as a resistance. So 6.5 to 4 is a strong resistance. So once if it goes above this particular level, now it is currently trading at around $5.908. Suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability is there, we can see it can go towards a level of $6.094. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $6.309. $6.309 is again a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there, that we can see it can touch a level of $6.538, and if that level sustain, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $6.83. Okay, and this $6.83 is again a weak resistance. As I've already told you that once the price sustain above a level of 6.3, chances will be very high we can see it can go towards a level of around 6.8, and from there we can see it can go towards and can cross a level of around $7.4, because as we can see a resistance coming at around 7.3 and a level of 7.064. These are the level. Once if it goes above a level of 6.3, chances are high we can see a level of 6.8. Okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $6.7 to a level of around $7, $6.7 to $7. Sustain above a level of $7, then probability is very high it can cross a level of 7.3. Keep this in mind. If the price comes close to $7, then chances are very high we can see it can cross a level of 7.3 and can go towards a level of $7.416. And if that level sustain, then we $7.550, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around $8.087. $8.087 is again a strong resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can move further upside. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price move above a level of 6.2, a probability of moving further upside is on higher side. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now, as you know that the market for natural gas is being very volatile, as you can see, before or around September 21, it is being moving in a volatile range because of the few things that Fed has continuously increasing their interest rate, Russian war has come, as well as the USD dollars getting very straightened at this particular levels. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is a chances, if it goes below a level of around, you can say $5.6, then only we can see it can move further down. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $5.717 to a level of $5.4. And if that level goes further down, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $5.494. Okay, $5.493. Okay, and now you have to understand here is that I have already told you that 5.3 06 is a weak support, so chances will be very high, and this level has not been breaking for so long. So we can see it can cross this particular zone and come to a level of $5.046. So you have to keep this in mind. If it comes close to 5.3, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $5, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 4.9. And the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.7 to a level of around $4.46. Okay, and once the price move below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.196, and then further down if the price didn't sustain this level. So keep this in mind, that once the price goes above a level of 6.2, then only we can see it can move further high. But otherwise, if it goes below a level of 5.4, then chances are very high that it can move further down. Okay, suppose if you are trading, you have to be careful, or investing, you have to be careful, because that most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1,000 to 1,500. Okay, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk will be per trade is $100. Okay, so if you took 5 trades in a day, then all these suppose all 5 trades went wrong, so your maximum risk is $500. So you can stop the trades for the day, and then if you trade the next day, you will not be in a burden to recover this amount. Okay, what people do is that they lose so much money in the particular day that they try to recover in the next day, and then they lose their full capital. Okay, this is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things, how to strategize, how to entry, exits and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you